Imagine ordering a mobile phone, but receiving a stone instead. Sounds shocking, but situations like this happen. This video is created for educational purposes, to help you understand what must be followed to make your claims strong and unquestionable. One small mistake during delivery can cost you your money or your product. Don't take that risk. Watch this before sending or receiving any parcel. Both supplier and customer must record video proof to ensure a strong and valid claim. Let's see how the supplier does. While packing the components using bubble wrap and placing them in a cardboard box, it is very important to record the entire process on video. This ensures that all items are clearly shown while packing, and acts as valid proof in case of any dispute or fraud. Without a packing video, there is no valid proof. With a proper recording, every item is clearly documented, giving you strong evidence and protection. Original packaging with visible AWB and our logo ensures complete traceability and valid proof. Double sealing is done to make the package tamper-resistant, ensuring the contents remain intact and secure during delivery. Always check that the package is properly sealed and intact before accepting the delivery. Once received by customer, follow these simple steps to create a proper and claim-valid unboxing video. Start recording before touching the parcel. Ensure the video is a single continuous shot with no cuts or edits. Zoom in clearly on the AWB label. Ensure the AWB number is fully visible and readable on camera. Open the parcel within the same recording. Show the breaking of seals and removal of packaging step by step. If the parcel is received with broken seal, damaged film, or tampered AWB label, do not accept the parcel. Record immediately and reject the delivery. Now, let's look at the incorrect way of recording an unboxing video. In this case, the customer accepted a tampered parcel. The packaging was already damaged, but still, the parcel was taken for unboxing. While recording, the customer did not show or zoom in on the AWB number. Only the unboxing was recorded, and the product inside the box was shown. Shockingly, instead of a pressure washer, only salt packets were delivered. Record the AWB clearly, and capture the full unboxing in one continuous video. This is your valid proof for any claim. This is an educational video presented by IP4U, created to spread awareness and help you follow the right process. For complete guidance, watch the full correct procedure video. Link available in the description and pinned comment.